The fact that you put out your marketing message on LinkedIn once and people did not send you a DM does not mean that they are not interested. It just probably means that they are not ready to buy it. So sometimes you need to put up your marketing message repeatedly before people buy. Statistics has shown that people need to see your marketing message between 5 to 7 times before they finally make a decision to buy your brand, because there is something we call the customer's journey. It starts with awareness and then goes to consideration before it gets to the decision making stage. So when you put out your marketing material once and people do not buy, it does not mean that they are not interested. You may just need to show them the same thing, maybe another way, over and over again until they finally made their decision. And one other thing you do not understand is when you put up your post on LinkedIn today to market your product, let's say 100 people see it. When you put it up tomorrow, chances are that it is not the same people who saw it yesterday that will see it tomorrow. And that's why you can't afford to give up on your marketing because you posted it once and people did not send you a DM or buy your service. You need to post it again and again and again until it sinks. So what you need to do is pick one marketing message and look at 5, 6, 7 ways of saying the same thing, perhaps using different stories, different analogies, and different content creation formats until the message sinks into your audience.